abandon, abandon. Keen, keen. Jealous, jealous. Tact, tact. The captain gave the order to abandon ship. Keen competition, keen eyes. He feels jealous of his rich friends. Her patience and tact are legendary. Oath, oath. Vacant, vacant. Hardship, hardship. Gallant, gallant. An oath of friendship. Vacant land, a vacant room. He was able to overcome one hardship after another. They have put up a gallant fight over the years. Data, data. Unaccustomed, unaccustomed. Bachelor, bachelor. Qualify, qualify. Data bank, data processing. He was unaccustomed to hard work. He remained a bachelor until he was well into his 40s. Do you qualify for the vote? Corpse, corpse. Conceal, conceal. Dismal, dismal. Frigid, frigid. His corpse was fished out of the water. He tried to conceal his real identity. It was a really dismal day. A welcome that was polite but frigid. Inhabit, inhabit. Numb, numb. Peril, peril. Recline, recline. They inhabit a small apartment. His feet have become numb. I never felt that my life was in peril. The doctor asked the patient to recline on the bed.